If your Google AdSense identity verification has failed, don't worry. It's a common issue and it can be fixed easily by following a few simple steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can get your account verified and start earning without interruption. First, open your web browser and go to the Google AdSense website. You can do this by typing Google AdSense into the search bar or visiting adsense.google.com directly. This is your main dashboard where you manage earnings, payments, and settings, and where you'll fix your verification issue today. Once the site loads, click on the Sign In button. Log in using the Google account connected to your AdSense profile. Make sure you're using the same email that's linked to your AdSense account. Using the wrong one can cause confusion and delay the process. After logging in, you'll arrive on the AdSense homepage. From here, navigate to the Payment section on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click it, and you'll find all payment-related settings, including your verification status. Next, look for a message or section labeled Verify Your Identity or Verification Check. This is where Google lets you know if your previous verification attempt failed or if more information is needed. Click on it to continue. Now, it's time to re-upload your identity document. Make sure your ID, whether it's a passport, national ID card, or driver's license, is clear, valid, and not expired. Take a well-lit photo or scan of the document, ensuring all text in your photo are fully visible. Avoid blurry images or cropped edges, as these are common reasons for verification failure. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload your ID again. Once submitted, Google will review your document. This usually takes a few days, so be patient and keep an eye on your email for updates. If your ID meets all requirements, you'll receive a confirmation that your identity has been verified successfully. A few helpful tips. Always double check that the name on your ID matches exactly with the name on your AdSense account. Even small differences, like missing middle names or spelling variations, can trigger a verification error. Also, avoid uploading multiple versions of your ID at once, as that can delay the review process. And that's it. By carefully following these steps, you'll be able to fix your Google AdSense identity verification failure and get your account back on track. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide made the process clearer and easier to follow. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below if you have questions. Good luck with your AdSense journey and keep creating great content.